हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एड्यू वर्ल्ड। एड्यू वर्ल्ड में आपका स्वागत है। सो गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट ए कॉलेज व्हिच इज नोन एज टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल सर्विसेज TISS, and in this video we are going to discuss about the entrance examination which is known as TestNet. So we'll know about dates, paper pattern, eligibility, cutoff, syllabus, and what should be our strategy so that we can clear the examination in very first attempt. So students, we have TestNet in January itself. It's not very far, it's very soon. TestNet 2021 is going to be in around 2 to 3 months. So let's begin with the eligibility criteria first. So a candidate must be graduated from a university recognized by the UGC, means University Grants Commission, and any educational background is accepted here. Means you are from BA, BCom, BSc, B Pharma, BTech, MBBS, everything is accepted here. You don't need to worry about your qualifications. Third, we have the option of those candidates who are in their final year of their graduation. They can also apply and can take admission. Lastly, we don't have any age bar, means you are from any age limit, you can apply for this examination. Okay, let us move on to our campuses. So guys, we have Mumbai campus and Tuljapur campus, Guwahati and Hyderabad, in which Mumbai is the flagship one. Why I am saying flagship here? Because Mumbai offers HRM course. HRM means Human Resource Management, which is the flagship course and which is famous all over country. In HRM course, the fee is around 1.5 lakhs, and the return of investment, if I will say, then you will be amazed, because the average placement here is 20 lakhs per annum of this course. Okay, there are various courses in Mumbai, by the way. And for Tuljapur, this campus is famous for its social work. Moving ahead to the Hyderabad campus, and we have Guwahati campus. Okay, now let's see about the examination. So I guess there are 52 courses, 52 different courses in TISS, and for all the 52 courses there is one common examination called TestNet. But there is a condition here. If you are applying for HRM and ODCL, then in addition to TestNet you will have to apply for TestNet. You will have to give TestNet also. Now after qualifying the TestNet, you are called for PIT, means pre-interview test, and PI means personal interview. Both are the process which happens in the same day. Now students who have applied for HRM and ODCL, they need to qualify TestNet as well as TestNet, and after qualifying TestNet and TestNet, they will be called for PIT as well as PI. So in the final selection, TestNet score is counted here. Okay, now TestNet pattern. Guys, before moving ahead, I must tell you that I have made another separate video of the previous 5-year questions of TestNet, in which you will get to know what are the analysis, what is the analysis of questions, means how many questions comes from this part. Like let's take the example of general awareness. So how many questions come from polity, from history, from current affairs? I have made the paper analysis in very detailed way. This video is going to help you very much, so kindly watch that video in the I button or in the description box below. Okay, so examination is of 100 minutes, 100 questions and 100 marks. We have English of 30 questions, 30 marks. We have mathematics of 30 questions and 30 marks. We have general awareness, which is a highlight of TestNet, is of 40 questions as well and 40 marks. The thing which we need to take care here is that there is no sectional cutoff in case of maths and in English, but there is cutoff sectional in the case of general awareness, or you can say GK. You need to clear at least 14 questions to cut off. You need to clear at least 14 questions to clear this examination, and we don't have any negative mark. Okay, now TestNet. In TestNet, we have comprehension of 15 questions, we have management data interpretation of 15 questions, and we have business awareness of 15 questions, and we have 45 questions in total. Now there is +1 question for correct answer and minus 0.25 for every incorrect answer. You need to take care of all this. By the way, this is only for those students who have applied for Human Resource Management and ODCL, means Organization Development and Change in Leadership. Now application starts from mid-October and continues till November, I think around 30th November, and examination date happens generally in first week of January or in second week of January. Result, we have the result of TISNET and TISMET in the first week of February, and if you have qualified for TISNET or TISMET, then you will be called for PIT and BI in the second week of March. Okay, now let us go to syllabus. So we have English 30 questions, and the level of difficulty is up to class 10, and the questions come from word correction or sentence correction, odd one out, analogy, synonyms, antonyms, grammar, verbal reasoning, and reading comprehension. In case of maths, 30 questions and level of difficulty is up to class 10. We have basic arithmetics, geometry, trigonometry, stats, number series, DI and LR. Now general awareness, the toughest one is of 40 questions, cutoff is 14 marks, around 14 questions need to be correct, and 35% is the cutoff, 14 questions. Okay, so scope is very wide. You can see here we have questions from polity, SST, science and tech, environment, sports, art and culture, and Indian history. In addition, there is a question from current affairs of around 10 to 15 questions every year. 10 to 15 questions, guys. For detailed analysis of question paper, you can go to the description and check out that video, or in the I button I have given the cards there. So in that video I have discussed every detail about that question paper. So I hope everything is clear you liked the video, and if you liked, then kindly subscribe to the channel, because I am coming with many informations from TISNET, many information about TISS, various campuses, and all the various courses. Like there are 52 courses now, so I'll be telling you about all the 52 courses one by one. So stay tuned and like the video if you liked it. Thank you so much, and all the very best for examination if you are preparing for it.